So, I am Dr. Geeta Chopra Sharma and I did my BDS, that is graduation, in year 2012 from Gyan Sagar Institute, that is located in Rajpura, which is very much nearby to Patiala. Being like BDS is a tough job because it is 4 years of study plus we have to pass 8 subjects in the final year. Initially, when I was in first year BDS, I was kind of very bubbly and sporty kind of girl, and I was not really like a kitabi kida. I was operating a case and suddenly patient said, डॉक्टर साहब आप निकाल लोगे, आप तो बहुत ही वीक हो, like you are very thin, you are very delicate. I said it is okay. Then the very next moment, my father called his parents. So like our wedding was like it really got fixed in just a day.
In just a
In
day.
just a day.
ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਲੀਆਂ ਦੋ ਹੀ ਸੀਟਾਂ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਮੀਆਂ ਬੀਵੀ ਨੇ ਮੰਨ ਲਈਆਂ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵੇਖਦਾ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਰਾਈਟ am I right?
Yes. We did our PG together. It
Okay.
was a long time, like
Same
3 years.
stream, everything
Same
same.
stream, same department, but in the first year we were posted in different wards. No, that was kind of a mutual agreement between
क्या
us.
बात है बड़े सियाने
The
बंदे हैं
story is really very funny. The moment my MDS exam result came out,
very warm welcome to Gurseema's Gupshup. Life is becoming so hectic these days. If you need a sigh of relief, you always say, चल यार थोड़ी देर बैठेंगे, चाय पियेंगे और क्या करेंगे? गपशप करेंगे. So very warm welcome to all of you at this show of Gurseema's Gupshup. And every week Gurseema tries to locate some special personalities जिनकी खट्टी मीठी बातें आप तक पहुंच सके. So today, my today's guest is oral surgeon dentist Dr. Geeta Sharma, MDS. See, I have to see degree because it is very tough to pursue the masters. So very warm welcome to Dr. Geeta Sharma. Thank you for coming to the show Gurseema's Gupshup. I hope you will enjoy and you will remember this day. अच्छी गपशप हम करेंगे. So very warm welcome to you first.
thank you so much for giving me this honor. Thank
It's
you so
all
much.
pleasure is all mine, and I know my viewers gonna view it. And please do subscribe, share, like this very interview because I know that it will add a spark to the minds of many females. So let's proceed. First of all, Dr. Geeta, I just wanted in brief just say a few words about yourself so that my audience come to know about you.
Okay, I am Dr. Geeta Chopra, and
Sorry, I mentioned you as Geeta Sharma.
yes, I am Geeta Chopra Sharma.
Chopra is your parents' का.
Yes, and I am married in Sharma's family.
Sharma's family. सबसे पहले, this is the female protagonist, shown thing that yes, she has actually kept that legacy of the parents and continued it to the next family also. So Dr. Geeta Chopra Sharma.
Yes.
Dr. Geeta Chopra Sharma, that's fine. Hanji, please continue.
So I am Dr. Geeta Chopra Sharma and I did my BDS, that is graduation, in year 2012 from Gyan Sagar Institute, that is located in Rajpura, which is very much nearby to Patiala.
Okay.
That is of duration of 5 years.
So 5 years.
Duration of
That
graduation.
is known as BDS, Bachelor
BDS,
of
yes. Dental Sciences.
Dental Sciences.
Yes.
BDS, Bachelor of Dental Sciences, and it is of 5 years.
5 years. Actually, it is.
कमाल होगी भाई. हमारे arts वालों, because I am from the arts field, you can know that Gurseema speaks like chak 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 chak. So I was having my subjects was sociology and psychology. English also being my passion.
Okay.
But then 3 years, in 3 years we are graduated.
Okay.
It's very easy for us.
But yes, being like BDS is a tough job because it is 4 years of study plus we have to pass 8 subjects in the final year.
Final
all
years.
together 8 subjects we have
So
to
5
cover.
years you completed your graduation.
And
And then you got the tag of Dr.
Dr. Geeta, yes.
Dr. Geeta.
After that, I always wanted to be a surgeon.
Okay.
So that the void which created in my heart, that I never got MBBS because of lack of just one mark.
Oh, so that void was there.
Yes, void was always there. So that void was fulfilled when I got MDS in oral surgery branch.
Wow.
So this is very, very
So
tough.
somehow you
Yes.
paved the path. And
Yes.
you know, my dear audience, from here you can also add one thing. Ki when one door is closed, you can always find the light from another window.
Good.
There is always, God has always kept a better chance for you.
Exactly. The point is like we should dream big, and we should chase our dream as well.
Right.
It is not about like daydreaming.
डॉक्टर
and
गीता, आपने पहले 5 साल में अपनी ग्रेजुएशन की, मतलब की डॉक्टरी की, डेंटिस्ट्री की आपने की 5 साल की बीडीएस, उसके बाद एमडीएस 3 years.
MDS of 3 years, yes. And this is actually very, very tough branch in the dentistry. Like for the 3 years, we never studied about teeth. We studied about jaws and the relationship with the
So
nerves.
now you are an oral surgeon.
I'm oral and maxillofacial surgeon. We operate on the jaws, like upper jaw. This is our lower jaw.
किसी ने स्माइल अच्छी करनी
Smile
हो.
designings, yes.
Wow.
We
So
are
that's
doing
all with
accident
the
cases.
females beauty, you know, that you
Exactly,
deal with
exactly,
it.
yes.
That's really nice. Okay. So it was your passion initially कि या धीरे धीरे ये passion प्रोफेशन टर्न इनटू पैशन हो गया, या पैशन था पहले बड़ा क्लियर कि यस दिस इज माय पैशन? एंड
No, exactly. Like I will not lie here, because initially when I was in first year BDS, I was kind of very bubbly and sporty kind of girl, and I was not really like a kitabi keeda.
Okay.
But what happened?
You were not the bookworm. You
No,
were never
no.
interested कि क्या कौन सी लाइन
Like,
पकड़नी
I was
है.
interested. No, yeah, I was not really focused like कि what I have to do in my life. But yes, I was like, I have like, girls are always hardworking, right?
Yes, girls are
Girls
always
are always
hardworking. Another
hardworking.
star to the girls.
No,
By
but-
God's grace, we have got.
Yes, but when I went into second year of my BDS graduation, then I was inspired by many females in my department, and
Okay.
out of suddenly a female came to me like a doctor, and she really motivated me to like do something big in your life.
What was her name? And who was she?
Her name is Dr. Supreet.
Okay.
And she is like she
Was
stood in
she
front
your
of me like-
professor?
she was my professor in my department, like oral surgery department.
Oral surgery.
And that we were like a kind of juvenile mind, like knowing nothing about the doctors and like about the BDS.
Okay.
We were just in
So
sitting
you know,
in
it's
the-
always said that it's a teacher who knows to fill the empty picture. So
Exactly.
you mean to say that the empty caravan, you can say the canvas that was there, huge caravan was you know,
Exactly.
sketched over it through her words, through her dedication.
Exactly, through her inspiration, and she
Okay.
was like iron lady standing in department and inspiring many future like children's over there.
And do you
For
find that because normally it happen सर्जरी में ऐसा होता है, या डेंटिस्ट्री में स्पेशली, व्हेन वी गो, अच्छा कौन सा डॉक्टर है, मेल है कि फीमेल है?
Exactly.
You know, because this is true. Even number of times I must have thought it, because अगर लगता है कि यार दाढ़ निकलवानी है, you know, tooth extraction है, तो यार we should prefer a male doctor, क्योंकि फीमेल में पता नहीं निकलेगी कि नहीं,
Actually-
या कितनी पेनफुल होगी. Why female doctors, especially in the dental, you know, otherwise so it's all around, but why it is कि your hands are not more trusted?
Exactly.
जबकि
This
आपके
happened-
हाथों में से एक नई लाइफ आई होती है. You give a birth to a child, you nurture a child, you nurture so many dreams. But then why this notion exists कि नहीं यार, जब डेंटिस्ट चूज कर लिया हमने अपने
It
लिए,
should be male.
it should be male.
Yeah.
मतलब खास करके टूथ एक्सट्रैक्शन है तो नहीं यार, should be male.
Actually, it happened today in today's morning only. I was operating a case and suddenly patient said, "Doctor साहब आप निकाल लोगे? आप तो बहुत ही weak हो, like you are very thin, you are very delicate."
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਸੀ ਭਾਈ ਤੇਰਾ ਦੰਦ ਕੱਢਣਾ ਬਾਹਰ ਕਿ ਉੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ weight lifting ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ.
Then I operated and I literally took out his wisdom tooth in just I think if I go by watch, I just did it in 5 minutes, and he was
Wow.
astonished, like looking at me, and he all of a sudden he started appreciating like
So
Exactly,
thank
जो
God
पहले-
at
हाँ.
least your efficiency cleared his mind.
Exactly.
Because otherwise the perception is
And he really got inspired by me and suddenly said मैं अपनी कुड़ी नू भी डॉक्टर बनावांगा.
that's so nice. So your parents must be very happy, Dr. Geeta, because
Yeah.
so was it? Oh, just tell me that how your dad feels about your this very work that you do, this very vision of Dr. Geeta. Because earlier you were Geeta to them, है ना Geeta. Then came the prefix of Dr. Geeta, and then when you did your post graduation also you turned into a surgeon. So that is again a more proficient and magnificent name that you have got. So anything connected to your father's words or dreams
Yes,
or
exactly.
moments if you remember?
See, he is actually very proud of me. So,
Okay.
actually, he is a policeman. He is a retired policeman.
Okay.
And like every policeman, he is very strict and disciplined. But yes, this like strictness should be there with the kids because they
Right.
want to they want their children to face
But
the
they have
real
got a
world.
very disciplined life.
Disciplined life. They
Right.
want to they want their children to face the real world. Like
Real
they
world.
have to be
And
strict.
real world is not so easy.
Exactly.
So what at present? My question is, what like at present, what his perceptions is, or what
He-
how he takes your presence
he
in his
is
life.
very proud of me, and he just keep on telling his friends and the other family members like my daughter is doing excellent things, like the kind of surgeries I share with him. Papa, I did today, like the cancer case I did today, and
So you
he
keep on
keeps on
sharing.
share. Yes, I
And
regularly
when
call
you
him.
look like cancer cases, especially the oral cancer is there. It's very tedious thing. It's very
Yes.
because it's surgery.
Exactly.
It,
Actually, this is a teamwork. We operate with a team. Like,
that's
it
true,
is-
but then you are the part of the team. You
I
are
am
the
part
part
of the
of
team.
that very
Yes, exactly.
project.
Mhm.
So it's something really honored to know this thing, and I really congratulate her father, sir. You are lucky enough that your
Thank you.
daughter has been very much to the that level that we are looking towards her. Today we are interviewing her because yes, she deserves this platform. So that was your father's reaction, what I wanted to know. Now coming to your present family.
Okay.
Your husband, Dr. Danish.
Yes.
He's also dentist.
Yes.
इत्तेफाक से डेंटिस्ट मिल गए कि प्यार से डेंटिस्ट मिल गए?
नहीं, it is actually a long story. मिले
Long
प्यार से.
story. We don't mind, guys. You can always brief us. Yes.
We did our PG together. There were only 2 seats in Punjab in oral surgery.
अच्छा जी.
And yes, we.
ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੱਲੀਆਂ 2 ਹੀ ਸੀਟਾਂ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਮੀਆਂ ਬੀਵੀ ਨੇ ਮੰਨ ਲੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵੇਖਦਾ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ. Right?
Exactly.
Am I right?
Yes, we did our PG together. It
Okay.
was a long time, like
Same
3 years.
stream, everything
Same
same.
stream, same department, but in the first year we were posted in different wards. Like
Okay.
in first year we never met each other. We hardly got any time to talk and interact with
Acha
each
ji.
other. But in the second year, he really supported me with love, affection, and he inspired me.
ਹਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ
So-
ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗਲਤ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ੁੱਧ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਕਹਾਂਗੀ ਭਾਜੀ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਨਸਪਾਇਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਭਾਜੀ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਇਨਸਪਾਇਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ he could create that bond with you and I congratulate Dr. Danish, you have got lovely and beautiful wife, she's got a beautiful heart, may your bond blessed it stay and fragrant be your each day. That's what we all pray. So okay, so Dr. Danish keep on supporting you.
Yes, he is very like he is adorable man, right? He basically, I regularly look at him like the effort he is putting on me every day on
You believe
his
that he
child.
is putting efforts on you.
He is putting efforts. He
So
is
whatever
actually
the product
dedicated.
we are saying today, the personality we are, so the credit not
Goes
only
to
goes
him.
to your father,
Goes to
but
him as
equally goes to
Exactly.
your husband
Yes,
also,
yes,
Dr.
yes.
Danish. Huge round of applause. Dekho, Dr. Danish, you are not here, but your presence is there through her words. And I tell you, whosoever will see this interview, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ parents ਨੂੰ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਕਿ ਪਾਪਾ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਲੱਭ ਕੇ ਦਿਓ, so that even when we get the chance to be interviewed with Gursima, Gupshup with Gursima, we can, say with that privilege. So may God bless your bond. Okay, now just let me know who else is there in your family, and are your in-laws supportive towards you?
They are adorable people. They are very lovely.
Not only because of camera.
No,
Not
not at
because-
all, not
okay.
at all. They are
Because I
affectionate
feel
and
that once the woman is married, whatever profession you are pursuing, you can't shine in that profession until and unless you have the support of your
supportive
in-laws.
mother-in-law. I am having a lovely mother-in-law at home. She is
Okay.
taking care of my child and me
You
like
have
a
beautiful daughter
Yes,
also.
she
What's
is-
her name?
Her name is Kiara,
Kiara.
and
So-
we call her Noor.
Noor.
Yes.
Okay. So
She's 1.5 year old.
oh,
baby.
she's too young.
Yes.
So, but then again, you are pursuing your profession, and of course, it is because of the support of your mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law.
Very true. Because if you have your elders are supportive towards you, only then you can fly better. You can fly. See, otherwise you can always flutter your wings. अगर ठान ली है लड़की ने करना है तो करना, सपोर्ट कोई करे या ना
ना
करे,
करे।
लेकिन हाँ अगर थोड़ी सी भी सपोर्ट मिल
But
जाए,
then, हाँ,
that makes your journey bit
very,
easier.
very easier.
Very
Very
easier. Very true. Now, some absurd questions जो मेरे पास आए हैं आपके प्रोफेशन के बारे में लिख कर आए हैं जी.
Okay.
Why I have to brush my teeth, whereas my dog never dare to.
अच्छा.
All the cavities हमारी किस्मत में क्यों आती हैं? Dogs तो brush करते नहीं.
Okay.
What is the reason?
Answer is very, very simple because we are eating carbohydrates in our diet. Carbs means like we are
सही बात
taking.
है क्योंकि शायद ही
Dogs are
कोई-
not taking chocolates. They
Chocolates.
are not eating toffee.
I remember my nani
Mhm.
used to carry the jaw,
Mhm.
and at night used to keep their jaw in water, and we
Inside.
were so much horrified. Oh my God, what BG has done? You know, it's so, but and that now the times have changed. Even I have got the implantation of one tooth.
Okay.
That's true because आजकल इनका ही time है, इनका ही दौर है. So that's really nice. It was beautiful to have you, Dr. Geeta,
Thank you so
over
much.
here.
Thank you.
Any adorable moment that you would like to share with your better half? कोई ऐसा time?
We have actually so many. We
चले
have so
एक
many,
हो जाए
but,
जी.
हाँ.
डॉक्टर दानिश ने सबसे पहले आपको प्रपोज किया.
No, that was kind of a mutual agreement between
क्या
us.
बात है, बड़े सियाने बंदे
The
हैं.
story is really very funny. The moment my MDS exam result came out, so my mother's just started holding the pen and paper and she was writing an advertisement like Dr. Geeta, fair, beautiful, like girl.
Okay, the matrimonial.
Then I really got scared, like what she is doing. Then I stopped my mother, Mama, please don't do this. And
I'll find myself.
I will find myself. But
Achha, you said that.
in my mind, I knew like I
Somewhere at the back stage, you
yes.
knew that ki there is a guy.
हाँ,
There is a
हाँ,
guy.
कि this is the right thing. Now I should tell my parents. So
अच्छा.
I immediately called up Danish, this is the scene at home. My mother is putting up advertisement in Tribune like that. This is very popular Tribune newspaper in Chandigarh.
Okay.
So he said, "Yeah, I'm really not ready for marriage for next 1 year. Please, like I want to open my clinic. Like
Clinic
what
है.
they will ask, like
हाँ, मुंडा करदा की
मुंडा
है.
करदा की
That
है
is
ना?
the main-
अभी just
चाहे
resign
इतना पढ़ लिया है और 10 साल लगा रही है, मास्टर्स की डिग्री हासिल कर ली,
हाँ.
फिर भी सवाल होते थे ना
तो
मुंडा करदा की है, कमांदा कितना है.
Then I gave him धमकी. मैंने कहा otherwise like है ना कुछ और हो
कोई
जाएगा,
और हो
कोई और हो
जाएगा,
जाएगा.
तो इससे पहले कुछ और हो जाए, दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले
हाँ,
जाए.
तो फिर वो the best moment was he came all from Amritsar to Chandigarh very next day.
अच्छा.
And he had words with my parents.
He directly
He had
himself-
words with my parents, like holding his basically requesting my parents like
Wow,
please
so sweet.
कि please trust me, like I am right guy for
Your daughter.
daughter. Yes.
And what was the reaction of your dad?
My dad is like I already mentioned, he's a policeman and he really
So he
just went away for the first time, and then he had a words with me in personal in room, and he asked me, "Are you okay with this?" Like my father is a adorable man, right? And he just asked me like, "Are you comfortable? Like or like something is there? Or, matlab, are you not under any stress?" So I said it is okay. Then very next moment, my father called his parents. So
अच्छा.
like our wedding was like it really got fixed in just a day.
in just a
in
day.
just a day.
चलिए जी, इनका तो काम
and
हो
next
गया.
day-
जब मियां बीवी राजी तो क्या करेगा काजी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So that was a good thing. And
That-
plus the two mutual minds, two mutual professions got combined on one stage.
Yes.
And now they have also opened their own clinic in Amritsar. Your clinic's name is
It's Dental Craft in Ranjit Avenue.
Dental Craft. So if you would really like to craft your smile, please do visit Dr. Danish and her better half, Dr.
Geeta.
Geeta. It's beautiful name, Dr. Danish and Geeta. वो जैसे ना वो दो फ्लावर्स होते हैं ना, दानिश गीता, गीता दानिश, दानिश गीता. तो कॉलेज में लोगों को पता चल गया होगा फिर.
College में like everybody was suspecting us, but
They
they were
were
not.
suspected.
They were not really sure because yes, like other couples, we really kept on fighting a lot and like.
ये अक्सर होता है जिनमें बहुत प्यार होता है उनमें ही लड़ाई होती है. लेकिन मुझे ये हैरानगी हो रही है यार, you have been dealing so tough in such a tough degree courses. How much you scored?
I scored better than Danish.
Aye.
This is another example like girls are doing better than boys.
Yes. So how much you
I
scored?
topped in Punjab.
Oh my god.
I am gold medalist in my BDS also.
She is gold medalist in BDS. She topped in MDS also.
And I was university topper for consecutive 5 years in during my
And इसके
BDS tenure.
बावजूद डॉक्टर दानिश के साथ साथ टांका भी जुड़ गया और वो निभ भी गया. डॉक्टर साहब ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਸਮਤ ਵਾਲੇ ਹੋ, ਕੁੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗੀ ਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਬੜੀ ਸਿਆਣੀ ਤੇ ਬੜੀ ਇੰਟੈਲੀਜੈਂਟ ਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ. But I am really surprised. See, you doubt all the listeners of my show. You doubt women. She will not able to do this. She was fallen in love. She can be, you know, ਉਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਹੀਰ ਵੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਅੱਖਾਂ 'ਚ ਵਗਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਨੀਰ ਵੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਉਹ ਪੀਰ ਵੀ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਜੇ ਉਹ ਚਾਹੇ ਤੇ ਅਰਸ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ ਦੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਉੱਪਰ. ਇਹ ਉਹਦਾ ਔਰ ਵਫਾਦਾਰ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਜ਼ਮੀਰ ਵੀ ਹੈ. In spite of all the things, she has that trust in her heart for herself. So beautiful story, beautiful knitted love story of Dr. Danish and Dr. Geeta. And I would just pray that both of you stay together and soar high in every weather. So my dear audience, here I would like to wind up the show with your beautiful smile. Hope to see you in the next episode with next guest. But before this, I have got something to share with you, which I will be putting forward. So audience, it was a healthy interaction and now it's time to honor you. I would like to call one student from my NGO, Suman. Suman, please come here. She's a beautiful girl and she's got the hamper for ma'am. And I would like to, okay, this fixed. They have got some mattis because NGO girls, NGO missionary students, they make the mattis. So she has prepared the mattis for you and I hope you will like. Any question that you would like to ask? कुछ पहले अपने बारे में बोलो.
Hello ma'am, I am Smriti Kaur and I am 18 years old. I passed my 12th class and now this year I am pursuing my graduation from
Okay.
Gandhi University.
University. That's nice. Any question? कुछ पूछना है मैम से? कुछ कोई दिल की बात? मैम इतने बड़े डॉक्टर बने, कोई सपना आपका कोई ड्रीम है?
Yeah, I want to become a teacher.
Okay. So what would you like to say? What, how, any message that you would like to convey? Because this message will go to the many girls like her in the NGO.
Acha, I just want to say you like please chase your dream till last till the time you achieve it. Like never ever.
मतलब
like,
अपने chase your dreams की अपने सपनों का पीछा करो. कहते ना वो
do
खेल
hard work and
पीछे भागो सपनों के ताकि सपनों को कैच कर सको. You could become something. और एक दिन वो टाइम आए जब गुरसीमा आपको बुलाए और इस चेयर पे आप बैठे हो and we could have Gursima's gupshup because
with Suman.
yes, with Suman. Like it was today with Dr. Geeta. So Dr. Geeta, students have prepared a hamper for you. They have got mattis. लेकिन उससे पहले ये एक frame इन्होंने fix की है. And I would like to just read Friday the guest day. Tribute to Dr. Geeta and Dr. Danish through the words below. Geeta and Danish, may your love always garnish. Both of you stay together, soaring high in each weather. To your Angelica, Kiara, that's her daughter's name. to your Angelica Chiara surrounds the blissful aura. Best wishes and regards by Anju Vishuddhi. This is for you.
I feel so privileged. Thank you for
Rather,
this
it
beautiful
was
afternoon.
it was
I-
a
thank you
beautiful
for this
time
honor.
even I had, and I hope that viewers of my channel, Gurseema Preet Kaur's channel, you will enjoy listening to the story of Dr. Geeta and answering all the questions so beautifully. Thank you so much. We'll catch you soon next week, the same day, and with the new aura of a female. Thank you so much. Take care.